Audio-visual presentation by Rafael Lance G. de la Peña. Information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, organize, use, and communicate information in all various formats, most notably situation, requirement decision-making, problem-solving, or acquisition of knowledge. Why information literacy skills are important? It's important for today's learners. It promotes problem-solving approaches and thinking skill, asking questions and seeking answer, finding information, forming opinions, evaluating sources, and making decision fostering. Successful learners, effective contributors, confident individuals, and responsible citizens. What is the purpose of information literacy? Information literacy means knowing how to learn, having ability to locate, critically evaluate, and use information effectively. Developing effectively research skills using information has always been an essential part of liberal arts education. What are the five standards of information literacy? Identify, find, evaluate, apply, acknowledge. Identify. Establish or indicate who or what someone or something is. Find. Recognize or discover something to be present. Evaluate. Form an idea of an amount, number, or value of assets. Apply. Be applicable or relevant. Acknowledge. Recognize the fact or importance or quality of. Thank you for watching.